What is up, guys? Check it out. We are sitting here in the Trap Blazer. I got the roof semi-open. It's cracked up there. It was drizzling a little bit earlier, but check this out. There he is. Look at him. Lazy dog back there. Zero Doggy Dog. He's in the Trap Blazer just chilling. He's a happy guy. I want to give a shout out to everybody out at O'Reilly's here in Napanee for hooking me up with the stuff to redo the front end on this truck. Is great, guys. Thank you. Thanks for helping me get the right stuff at a good price. I really appreciate it. And another big shout out to Monteith Tire for doing all the work and getting everything right and doing a good job. I really appreciate it. Those guys were real good customer service. They took real good care of me. Everybody, O'Reilly's, Monteith, great job, guys. Thank you very much. I'm going to give a shout out to Blackout Tinting too. Amos, he really did do a good job. It's good quality tint in here. Like I say always, the lay's good. It looks good, guys. I'm not happy with the arch and my sun strip at all. I don't like it. I want to get it fixed, but I'm telling you guys, like, it's laid nice. There's no problem with it like that. It's got good color. It's good quality tint. I see one little bubble. It's nothing, man. That don't bother me, but I don't like the big arch. But the mini truck looks good, guys. That looks sharp. Real happy with it. He does a good job. That's the bottom line right there, guys. He did a pretty good job on all the tint. I'm just not happy with the arch, but you know, shout out to him too and everybody at Blackout Tinting, guys. I appreciate all your hard work and your time, your efforts, everything. I really do. It helps make my trucks look nice. I'm just sitting in here because we kind of got rained out this morning. It's looking a little nicer, but we got the mini truck over there. The air ride is out of there, guys. Empty. Maybe we'll get a clip of that here in a little bit as I get going, but I'm just sitting chilling, having my coffee, and I'm plotting on what I want to do. So that's the deal today, guys. That's what's going down. Keep an eye out for more projects on this. Supposed to be getting these door pins taken care of in the morning, so that way I can start the panel projects in the stereo. So I am excited about that. You guys still haven't seen the stereo clips from the other Trap Blazer. I kept that stuff kind of low-key, guys, but I'm gonna start coming out with a lot of that kind of footage, the stuff that I didn't release from last year, the goods. I've been hoarding it, been saving it. I just want to make sure that I have a large stockpile of video, so that way I'm never like, man, I don't have anything to post. I always have plenty to post. So keep an eye out for that stuff, guys. Melvin Cremens, his Superman Camaro is in there. That's one of my favorites, guys. The Saline, Brent Mishler Saline's in there. His wife's yellow Mustang GT is in there with all the stuff they did to that. Trying to think, there's many trucks from the Kendallville cruise. There's me getting pulled over in the Kendallville cruise. Let's see, I think there was a Corvette and another Saline there. Some more Mustangs. Man, this is loaded with just the Kendallville cruise. Lots and lots of things, guys, from the meets, everything. So lots of footage to come. I'm going to be pumping it out. I have a setup in the Trap Shack, so that way when I'm out here working, I can also go back and forth and produce these videos and start pumping them out. So that's what we're looking at, guys. That's what we're doing today. Zero Doggy Dog is about to get up out of here and take his lazy bones inside and go chill out and get up out of my truck. But anyway, guys, we're going to keep on trapping, and that's the plan. We'll see you in the next clip.